2004 Infiniti G35. So, oops, it won't start. Could be the starter. So 2004, 2003, 2004, 5, 6, 7 is the same engine. So two things that I do, it's before checking a car, is that I check if it has any water, coolant. This one is full. Check if it has any oil. Yep. So the problem with this car is the starter relay, which is the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the last one. This is the starter relay. Goes in here. We got another one over here, so I put this one over here. Put this one over here. So that's why we're not getting power to that to the starter motor on the bottom. But if you use the power probe, and you put power to the starter, it starts. All right. Okay, so you place it inside of one of those connectors. For example, if I want to check this one over here, there, see it's in, so you can see it's in. So I can use the power probe now, and somebody has to crank it, and when they crank it, I should get power. Okay, that power has to go all the way to the starter. If you're getting power over here, definitely, I mean, the relay is no good. Okay, so there you have it. In this case, it wasn't the starter. It was the see, it was the starter relay.